How's it going, everybody? It is Joseph Perrin back with another video on the Perrin Power Sports channel, and today we're going to be working on this Crf80 dirt bike I just bought for $500. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you the shop I just finished remodeling. Let's do it. Alright, so we got the shop really well organized for our first little project here. The only exception would be that right there. It's a little bit of a mess. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. I'm really excited to start on this one. I've never really rode it. It's just been sitting for a long time. It needed a front tube, which I got put on there. And today I'm just going to throw that whole assembly, the front tire on there, and then detail the bike, and hopefully we can take it for a spin. Okay, so I'm about to throw that front tire on the bike, and if any of you guys are doing the same thing, you're gonna need a couple tools: a 14mm wrench and a 19mm socket with a ratchet, or in my case, an impact. So let's get that tire on the bike. Yep, I dropped the bike, but I didn't really break anything, and we did get the front tire on there, and it looks really good to see it all in one piece again. So we're ready to bring it outside and get it all washed up and detailed, and hopefully we will be able to start it and take it for a little bit of a test ride. So I just got done power washing this bike, and it looks a whole lot better. It's been sitting for a long time and had a lot of just dirt and grime caked onto it, so we got that all clean. I do have some high gloss coating we're gonna put on the plastics and around the rims and maybe on the engine, just to shine it up, make it look a lot better. And then while we got the bike in the shop, I think it'd be a good idea to do an oil change and replace the spark plug, because maintenance has not been done on this bike in a long time because it's just been sitting. And it's always good to do that before you start riding it again. So we got the bike all shined up and it looks amazing. I still don't know if it runs, haven't test driven it yet. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. But before we take this thing on a test drive, I'm gonna change the oil and replace the spark plug on this thing, and hopefully we can get it to fire up and take it for a spin. So in case any of you guys are doing the same thing at home, I'm gonna show you a couple tools you're gonna need to get the job done. For the spark plug, you're gonna need a 5/8 socket. And then for your oil drain plug, you're gonna need a 17mm socket and a ratchet that fits on those. So let's get these parts put on the bike. So the bike is finally done. We got the front tire on it. We got it all detailed. The oil changed, a new spark plug. I'm really happy with the bike. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, drop a like. I'd really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's see if this bike will start.
Okay, that's not supposed to. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.